Today we're going to be doing an oil change on an 04 Trailblazer, so let's get started. First, and take out the drain plug.
Make sure you have a oil pan underneath. Probably can tighten it with your finger now. There she is.
Go. Okay, now let's take the oil filter out, and it's going everywhere. Alright.
No, it almost hit my sweatshirt. Oh, it's hit your sweatshirt. Give him a rag. Wipe his arm.
Did you get the filter?
Yeah. Wipe it.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. That's what happens if you're not careful.
Yeah.
He's got iodine all over him.
Okay.
Boy's not so white.
Now that that's out, let whatever oil is in there drip out. Wipe off your surfaces. And then go ahead and get your new filter and put in and fill her up again. Okay, before you put your filter back on, you take your oil and you put a lid on the rim.
Premium.
And then you take it and you go around the seal.
Tires.
Get that all lubed up.
Rub a dub dub.
And then put it back under here. And go ahead. Put your arm in the oil while you're at it.
Don't cross thread it.
And screw it back on.
Don't cross thread it.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys don't cross thread it. That's very bad.
Put it on hand tight.
And make sure it is hand tight. Okay, this one takes 7 quarts. If you need a funnel, use it. We don't really use funnels.